Chapter 1. Globes and Maps. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the only planet known to support life because it has land, water, and air, along with the right temperature and sunlight. Seen from space, the Earth looks like a slightly flattened ball. This shape is called a geoid, which means that the Earth is almost spherical but is slightly bulged at the center and flattened at the top and bottom. The surface of the Earth includes continents, oceans, mountains, rivers, forests, and deserts spread across thousands of kilometers. Because the planet is both enormous in size and curved in shape, we cannot see or understand all of it at once with the naked eye. To study the Earth more clearly, human beings have developed tools such as maps and globes that could represent its surface in simpler and more accurate ways. Globes. A globe is a small, spherical model of the Earth that shows the shape of the Earth, the positions of the continents and oceans, and important imaginary lines that help us locate places. Because of its round shape, the globe gives a true idea of how the Earth looks from space. Elements of a globe. A globe has some important parts that help us understand the Earth better. Axis. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the globe, connecting the two ends of Earth. The globe is fixed slightly tilted on this axis, just like the real Earth. The Earth spins, or rotates, around this axis, causing day and night. Poles. The poles are the 2 points at the ends of the axis. The North Pole is at the top of the globe. The South Pole is at the bottom of the globe. Advantages and disadvantages of using globes. Advantages. Disadvantages. A globe shows the true shape and appearance of the Earth. A globe is not portable, which means that it can be difficult to carry around. It accurately shows the positions, distances, and directions between places. A globe cannot show detailed information like small towns, roads, or rivers. It helps us understand how the Earth rotates and how it is divided into hemispheres. Only one part of the Earth can be seen at a time. The poles are the farthest points from the middle of the Earth. They are also some of the coldest places on the planet. Advantages and disadvantages of globes. Since globes are not easy to carry and cannot show detailed information, we often use maps. Maps. A map is a flat drawing of the Earth or a part of it. Maps show the shapes, locations, and features of different places. Unlike a globe, a map can show a large area or a small region in great detail. Maps are made on sheets of paper or screens, so they are easy to use and carry. Types of maps. Maps come in different forms, each with a different purpose. Wall maps are large maps that are usually hung on walls in classrooms, offices, or homes. They show big areas like the world, a country, or a continent and are easy for everyone to see. An atlas is a special book that contains a collection of maps. Road maps are made for travelers, showing highways, roads, and important places like airports and tourist spots. We also use digital maps on computers, tablets, and phones. Digital maps can be zoomed in or out, and they often give real-time information, like traffic updates and travel directions. Types of maps. Physical maps show landforms and water bodies such as mountains, rivers, deserts, and forests. Political maps show countries, states, cities, and their borders. Thematic maps focus on special topics like rainfall, weather, or the number of people living in a place. Road maps help travelers find their way by showing roads and buildings. Elements of a map. Certain standard features that appear on most maps make it easier to read and understand maps correctly. These are called the elements of a map. Each element provides specific information that helps us interpret what the map shows. The four essential elements of a map are scale, direction, colors, and symbols. Elements of a map. Element, how it works. Function, scale. A scale shows the relationship between a distance between two places on a map and the actual distance between them on the ground. So, if a distance of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers on the ground, the scale may appear as one of these. Statement, that is, 1 centimeter equals 100 kilometers. Line scale, that is, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 kilometers. Ratio, that is, 1 represents 1 lakh. The scale helps us measure real distances between places. Since maps are much smaller than the actual Earth, the scale tells us how much the features have been reduced in size. Direction. Direction refers to the relative position of places on the Earth. The four main directions, north, south, east, and west, are called cardinal directions. The directions in between the main directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. These are called intermediate directions. Direction is shown on a map using an arrow pointing north. Once we know where north lies, we can identify all the other directions. Some maps use a compass rose to show direction. A compass is a tool used to find direction in the real world, and its needle always points to the north. Colors. Maps use standard colors to represent different physical or natural features. These colors follow map-making conventions used worldwide. Colors make maps easier to read and understand. For example, blue represents rivers, lakes or seas, green shows plains or forests, and brown indicates mountains or highlands. Symbols and key. Symbols are simplified signs or drawings that stand for real-world features. A key, or legend, explains the meaning of each symbol used on the map. Symbols help show important features. For example, a star may mark a capital city. A triangle might represent a mountain. A tree could show a forest, and a bold horizontal line might indicate a road. The key tells us what each symbol stands for. Advantages and disadvantages of maps. While maps are important tools for studying the Earth, they have both strengths and weaknesses. Advantage and disadvantages of maps. Advantages. Disadvantages. Maps are portable and easy to carry or fold. Maps cannot show the exact shape of the Earth. Maps can show small areas in great detail, such as cities, roads, and rivers. Maps can distort the size, shape, or distance of places, especially near the poles. Maps can show different kinds of information, such as weather, population, and crops. it can sometimes be harder to judge accurate distances and directions from a flat map. Maps allow us to see the whole world or a specific region at once. Some maps may not include all the features a person needs, depending on the purpose. Words I know: globe, small, spherical model of the earth; map, flat drawing of the whole earth or a part of it; atlas, book of maps; elements of maps, standard features that appear on maps; scale, the relationship between a distance between two places on a map and the actual distance between them on the ground; direction, relative position of places on the earth; cardinal directions, the four main directions; intermediate directions, the directions in between the main directions; compass, tool, used to find direction; symbols, simplified signs or drawings that stand for real-world features on a map; key/legend, explains the meaning of each symbol used on the map. To sum up, to study the features of the earth, human beings have developed tools such as maps and globes. A globe is a small, spherical model of the earth that shows the earth's features and helps us locate places. While globes give a true representation of the earth, they also have their disadvantages. A map is a flat drawing of the whole earth or a part of it and shows the locations and features of different places in great detail. Wall maps, road maps, digital maps, physical maps, political maps, etc., are the different types of maps depending on the purpose they have. Elements of a map are standard features that make it easier to understand maps correctly. Scale, direction, colors and symbols are the four essential elements of a map. Just like globes, maps have their own advantages and disadvantages.